Hi friends, welcome to new video. Today I am showing you how to replace toner cartridge on HP color LaserJet M175a model printer. The toners are replaced with this switch. Let us see how it works. First, connect the power cable. Next, switch on the printer. See in display. Printer is initializing. Okay, now printer is ready. Open these two doors. Now only one toner can be seen. This is black. Okay, first remove this black. After then close this door. Then press on this switch. Now you can see the yellow color toner coming up. Open again this door. You see this is yellow color. Remove this yellow color also. Again close the door. And press again this switch. Rotating again. And magenta color comes up. Open this door. See, this is magenta color. Remove also this color. Then close the door. Press again the same button. Rotating again to cyan. Now cyan color coming to up. Open this door. See, this is cyan. Remove like this one by one. Now all colors are removed from this printer. This is the original toner for this printer. This is black color. Cartridge number is 126 and the series. The other number CE310 black, CE311 cyan, CE312 yellow, CE313 magenta. These four color toners are used in this printer. Okay, next let us see how to put toner to the printer. Same like before, press this button and open this door. Now you can see this black color sticker, also alphabetic K. K means black color. The same color put there, toner number and the same alphabetic. Okay, after then close this door. Press this switch. Now rotating to yellow. See, yellow sticker with alphabetic Y. The same toner number is C312 and put there. Close this door. Press again. Now rotating to magenta. Okay, now ready to insert. Okay, see, this is magenta color. CE313. Insert, then close, press again. This is the last toner. Rotating to cyan. Sticker is cyan. Insert there. CE311 alphabetic C. Okay, all the toner has been put into the printer. If you don't put the toner in the right place, the printer won't work. Now let's take a test print. Go to setup menu reports, then OK, report demo page, report supply status, then press on OK. It will get report on toner level. Okay, now in printing. See, this is test print. The same number 175a. Black color is 100%. Cyan also same 100%. Magenta also yellow. Now this video is winding up. See you in next video. Thank you friends. Thank you for support. Thanks for watching.